Breastfeeding is a natural and beautiful way to nourish and bond with your baby. Step 1. Find a comfortable and quiet spot. It could be a cozy chair or a nursing pillow to support your back and baby. Make sure you're relaxed and free of distractions. Step 2. Position your baby. Bring your baby's whole body close to you, facing their tummy towards you. Support their head and neck with your hand. Step 3. Offer your breast. Gently touch your baby's lips with your nipple. Wait for them to open their mouth wide, then bring them onto your breast, making sure their lips cover a good portion of your areola. Step 4. Ensure a good latch. Your baby's mouth should cover not only the nipple, but also a large part of the areola. This will help them get the milk they need and prevent discomfort for you. Step 5. Pay attention to feeding cues. Watch for signs that your baby is hungry, such as smacking their lips or sucking on their hands. Feed your baby whenever they show these signs and let them nurse for as long as they want. Step 6. Burping your baby. Gently pat or rub their back to help release any air bubbles after feeding. This can help prevent discomfort and colic. Step 7. Establish a routine. Breastfeed your baby on demand, usually 8 to 12 times a day. Stay hydrated, eat a healthy diet, and get plenty of rest to support your milk supply. Remember, breastfeeding may take time and practice, but don't get discouraged. Seek support from a lactation consultant. Thank you for watching our video. Don't forget to subscribe to our channel for more helpful tips and information.